Hello everybody! Welcome to our video solution to problem 9 from the fall 2021 Math 302 final here at Cal State Fullerton. This is actually the last problem from the final. This is a little question where we are given a proof of a statement that we can't see, but we know it's written by Clever Carl, and well, Clever Carl's never right, and it tells us, right, his proof is flawed. And basically we need to figure out what the flaw is. So let's read this carefully. As the group G, okay, so it the statement must have defined some group G, has 14 elements. So G, which is a group, has 14 elements. All right, well, we'll see if that's important. We can write down the full composition table. Yeah, that's true, right? We can write down a Cayley table, although it doesn't really depend on the group having 14 elements. You can have any number of elements. We can write down the composition table. Fine. The table makes it clear that there is a subset H of G with 9 elements. Okay, so there's a subset with 9 elements. It contains the identity, is closed under composition, and closed under inversion. Now, if we put it's a subset, it contains the identity, it's closed under composition, it's closed under inversion, we put those all together, we conclude from this that H is a subgroup of G, right? So remember, this less than or equal sign means is a subgroup. And at this point, we should stop. Why? Because we have a subgroup of a group, and so we know that the order of the subgroup, right, the cardinality of the subgroup, has to divide the cardinality of the entire group because we're in a finite group. But 9 does not divide 14. And so by Lagrange's theorem, H is not a subgroup of G. And so one of these statements must be false, right? And later on, you can actually see Clever Carl's written it follows that H is an abelian subgroup of G. Well, okay, you can see here this subgroup that's a false statement right there. Okay, so how do we know that it's a false thing? Because he is violating Lagrange's theorem. He is producing a subgroup whose order does not divide the order of the entire group. So there we go. All right, everybody, that's the end of our fall 2021 Math 302 final. Take care now. Bye-bye.